Hi everyone, this video will show you how to set up your remote control. Enter the settings section on the application and tap Add New Devices. You will see a 60-second countdown appears on the screen, allowing the smart devices to join the smart home system within this period. Meanwhile, you will notice that the LED on the Smart Gateway turns solid. Press the reset button on the remote control and the battery LED indicator will flash once. The LED indicator will flash again 3 times when it has successfully added to the gateway. You can bind the remote control with LED bulb, power relay, and smart plug, and use it to control the devices. Please notice that before we bind the remote control with any devices, we have to join them into the same network. Screw in your LED bulb into the lighting fixture. Turn on the light. The LED bulb will flash 3 times, indicating it has joined the system. Install your power relay and the LED indicator will start flashing. The power relay will join the gateway automatically. The LED indicator on the relay will become steady when it has successfully joined the gateway. Plug the smart plug into the wall outlet and make sure the side LED is flashing. The LED indicator on the smart plug will turn solid when it has successfully joined the gateway. We have to set the LED bulb into Identify mode. Under Automation, tap Edit, choose Identify, and the bulb will start flashing. Now, select one of the 4 on-off buttons on the remote control to bind with the bulb. Press and hold it for 3 seconds until the battery indicator on the remote control flashes once in green. Wait until the bulb stops flashing, indicating binding successful. We still have to set the power relay into Identify mode. Under Automation, tap Edit, choose Identify, and the LED indicator on the relay will start flashing. Now, select another on-off button on the remote control to bind with the power relay. Press and hold it for 3 seconds until the battery indicator in the remote control flashes once in green. Wait until the LED indicator on the power relay stops flashing to indicate binding successful. Set the smart plug into Identify mode. Under Automation, tap Edit, choose Identify, and the LED indicator on the smart plug will start flashing. Now select another on-off button on the remote control to bind with the smart plug. Press and hold it for 3 seconds until the battery indicator in the remote control flashes once in green. Wait until the LED indicator on the smart plug stops flashing to indicate binding successful. Let's verify the above binding process. Press the Up On-Off button on the remote control to turn on the LED bulb. Press the plus and minus button to change the brightness and the side switch to adjust the color temperature. Press the left on-off button on the remote control to turn on the power relay. Press the down on-off button on the remote control to turn on the smart plug. Now, you have successfully bound the remote control with the 4 devices. You can also press the All On-Off button to control the 4 devices together. Hope you will enjoy our remote control.